Please note that as of the current date, the 2026 model years for both the Nissan Frontier and GMC Canyon are being announced and information is still becoming available. However, based on the latest announcements, here is a detailed comparison of the 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR and the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. Overview. Both the Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR and the GMC Canyon AT4X are the top-tier, factory-built off-road variants of their respective midsize pickup truck lineups. They are designed to compete directly in the popular and highly capable off-road truck segment. The Pro-4X is a new collaboration between Nissan and Roush Performance, bringing a new level of off-road capability to the Frontier. The Canyon AT4X, which was introduced with the latest generation of the Canyon, is a well-established and highly regarded contender. Performance and powertrain. 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR. Engine: 3.8-liter V6, naturally aspirated. Horsepower: 310 horsepower. Torque: 281 lb-ft. Transmission: 9-speed automatic. Drivetrain: part-time 4-wheel drive with a 2-speed transfer case and an electronic locking rear differential. Suspension: a key feature of the Pro-4X is the Roush Performance X Öhlins 2-inch suspension lift with 2.0 off-road shocks and remote reservoirs. It also includes upgraded Roush Performance front upper control arms. This setup is designed for improved ground clearance and better handling over rough terrain. Towing: up to 7,150 pounds. 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. Engine: 2.7-liter Turbomax inline-4 turbocharged. Horsepower: 310 horsepower. Torque: 430 lb-ft. Transmission: 8-speed automatic. Drivetrain: 4-wheel drive with front and rear electronic locking differentials and a 2-speed auto-track transfer case. Suspension: the AT4X comes with Multimatic DSSV, dynamic suspension spool valve, dampers, a 3-inch factory lift, and a widened track. This advanced damping system is a significant selling point, providing excellent control in a variety of off-road situations. Towing: up to 7,700 pounds. Note: the Canyon AT4X has a significantly higher torque rating at 430 lb-ft, which is a major advantage for off-road crawling and towing. Off-road features and capability. 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR. Ground clearance. The Roush X Öhlins suspension lift provides a 2-inch increase in ground clearance over the standard Pro 4X model. Tires: 17-inch wheels with 265/70 are 17 Hankook Dynapro at 2 Extreme all-terrain tires. Protection: titanium painted off-road skid plate, lower front fascia, and grille inserts. Other: hill descent control, hill start assist, active brake limited slip, ABLS, and a new drive mode selector with modes like rock, sand, and mud. 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. Ground clearance. With its 3-inch factory lift, the Canyon AT4X offers 10.7 inches of ground clearance. Tires: 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels, available with the AEV package, and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. Protection: comes standard with a skid plate and rocker protectors. The optional AEV Edition package adds 5 hot-stamped boron steel skid plates. Other: underbody cameras, a key feature for navigating obstacles, an off-road performance display, and multiple drive modes including a unique Baja mode for high-speed off-roading. The front and rear locking differentials offer superior traction compared to the Frontier's single locking differential. Interior and technology. 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR. Infotainment. Standard 8-inch touchscreen with a 12.3-inch optional on Pro trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driver assistance. Nissan Safety Shield 360, which includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and intelligent cruise control. Interior. Roush R embroidered headrests are a unique feature of this special edition. 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. Infotainment. Standard 11.3-inch touchscreen and an 11.0-inch diagonal driver information center. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driver assistance. Comes with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including front pedestrian and bicyclist braking and blind zone steering assist. It also offers a first-in-class head-up display. Interior. Features a premium interior with an obsidian rush theme, including leather-appointed seats with red stitching. The off-road performance display is a major technological highlight. Pricing and value. 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR. The Pro 4XR is a special collaboration with Roush, and its price is expected to be around $49,655. This builds upon the standard Pro 4X trim, which is expected to be around $43,565. 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X. The AT4X is a high-end trim in the Canyon lineup, with a starting MSRP around $57,200. The optional AEV edition package can push the price even higher. Conclusion. The choice between the 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR and the 2026 GMC Canyon AT4X depends on your priorities. Choose the Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR if you prioritize a more traditional, naturally aspirated V6 engine and a straightforward, proven off-road platform. You want a truck with a unique, limited edition feel from a reputable aftermarket tuner, Roush. You are looking for a highly capable off-road truck at a more accessible price point. Choose the GMC Canyon AT4X if you value a significant advantage in torque for better low-end performance and towing. You are willing to pay for a more technologically advanced and feature-rich truck, including features like underbody cameras and a head-up display. You want the added security and capability of front and rear locking differentials, suspension, and off-road hardware. Nissan Frontier Pro 4XR. The core of the Pro 4XR's off-road prowess is the collaboration with Roush and Öhlins. The Öhlins 2.0 off-road shocks with remote reservoirs are a high-quality, performance-oriented suspension system designed for aggressive off-roading.